guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Bree Marie, where I like to do makeup tutorials, unboxings, as well as makeup reviews on my channel. Today's video is going to be a natural look. This is pretty much my everyday makeup routine. I have absolutely no foundation on and it is just super easy, fast, on the go type of look. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and show your girl some love. And if you guys are interested in learning how I came up with this everyday makeup look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, I am going to do an everyday look. This is pretty much the routine that I do every single day when I get ready for work. Sometimes I have to work in the mornings and your girl is not a morning person, so I want something fast and easy. So that is what I'm going to be showing you guys to do today. So the first thing I'm going to do, because I already did my brows, that's the only thing I did off camera just because it's so boring and y'all don't need to see that. But I'm going to go in with some concealer. This is from Makeup Forever. This is the one I've been loving recently. I'm just going to go in and pretty much spot conceal, do the areas that I need a little bit more coverage in, little spots. And the reason why I love this concealer so much is because it sets itself, and pretty much in the morning, I don't have time, I don't want that extra step in setting my makeup while using a powder, because it really does save me time, so I don't have to necessarily worry about it. These areas. And this is Makeup Forever's Ultra HD, and this is in the shade 31.5. So now I'm just gonna go in with a little sponge. This makeup routine is super fast, super easy for anybody who's in a hurry or somebody who doesn't necessarily like to wear a lot of makeup. You just wanna do something light, fresh, and easy. This can definitely be your new go-to routine. Okay, now that everything is blended in, like I pretty much said before, I get to skip the part where I set everything because this concealer, you don't need to set it. You can just put it on, go, it saves you time, super easy, super fast. Moving on now to bronzer. I'm gonna use Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. My little mini right here. I had to get a full size, but this was my travel size one, so. And then I'm just gonna go in with a Morphe times Ariel brush. This is, what is this? A21. I'm not gonna contour anything. I'm just gonna give my face a little bit of warmth. Nothing too crazy. No crazy contour today. So I'm just gonna tap. I wanted to do this routine just because I had this idea when I was getting ready. I'm like, dude, this concealer saves me so much time. I should definitely do a video on it. Just like something natural for all my natural beauties out there who don't like to necessarily wear a lot of makeup. This is for y'all. I hope you can appreciate it, because I know not everybody likes to do a full face of makeup, or people just don't have time. Moving on to blush, I'm going to be using Flower Beauty's Peach Primrose, I think that's how you say it, this one right here. And I'm picking that up on a Morphe times Ariel A58 blush brush. And this blush is pretty pigmented, so you don't really need a lot. It goes on very, you see. I'm just tapping this. Just give me a flush of color on my cheeks. I love this color. I love a coral blush. Alright, now for highlighter, I'm going to be going in with Wet n Wild. This is Mega Glow in the shade Precious Petals. Sticking with a lot of petals today. Flowers. Yep. And I'm just gonna highlight those areas. Nose. Let me do Cupid's bow. Cheekbone. And I like to do the arch up here to give it a little eyebrow highlight. I'm going to set the face, and I'm going to be using Rare Beauty's setting spray. And I like to go in and tap in just very lightly. I just like to melt everything together. And this is gonna help make your makeup last all day. I like this method much better than just like letting it air dry or using a fan, because I feel like it's really like pressing the setting spray into the skin. So then it really will help prolong your makeup. I do want to add some mascara. I'm just gonna curl my lashes to give it a little bit of a flare and then use some mascara. And for mascara, I'm gonna be using Maybelline's The Falsies Volume Express. I absolutely love this mascara. It's actually one of my favorites. Drugstore, if you're looking for a good one, this is definitely a fire one from Maybelline. Now for my last and final step, I usually like to use a natural lippy. Today I'm going to be going in with Jouer. This is their Essential Lip Enhancer Shine Balm. It's something super light, very moisturizing on the lips. I absolutely love this. It looks like a lipstick, but it doesn't, like, it goes on like a lipstick, but it doesn't feel like a lipstick. So it gives you a little bit of color on your lips, but it's very, very hydrating. And voila, this is the final makeup look. Something very soft, fresh, easy, super simple to do. It doesn't look like you have a lot of makeup on. It's very, very natural. Pretty much I don't have any foundation on, just concealer, blush, highlighter, and some setting spray and a little lippy as well. And that is pretty much it for me. Please let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you guys did, please give your girl a huge thumbs up. Also leave me in the comment if you're more of a natural person or you like a full face beat. Let a girl know, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.